How to monetize TikTok account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, launch TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device as well, and if not your Wi-Fi connection, you can simply select or switch to cellular data. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, what you can simply do is it will lead you to your profile section. So here simply select on the option of TikTok Studio over here. So as you tap on TikTok Studio, you'll be able to see all the monetization factors over here. So let's tap on TikTok Studio and you'll be able to see all the options. But in order to monetize, what you simply need to have is there are certain eligibility criteria that you need to fulfill, such as certain number of followers, and you need to have certain posts, and you need to have activation, and so on. So under monetization, you can see there are different options. You can simply scroll and watch it over here. So you'll have different options over here. There are different monetization programs, so you can simply tap on view all, and for any of the monetization program that you want to be part of, you can simply see the eligibility criteria and you need to fulfill every one of those options. So what you can simply do is you'll have to have certain amount of following lists, you need to have certain active lists, and so on. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.